Let's make Turkish tray kebab. This is called Kilis Tava in Turkey. So I've got half kg of chicken keema here. You can use lamb, beef or mutton, whatever you like. Got half onion chopped, pepper, red pepper, green pepper. You can use parsley or coriander and garlic. Everything is gonna go in. A tablespoon of tomato paste, or you can use red pepper paste. A teaspoon of sumac, or you can use lemon juice. A teaspoon of Turkish red pepper flakes, or you can use red chili flakes. A teaspoon of paprika. A teaspoon of oregano, black pepper, salt, a teaspoon of cumin powder. Then I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of oil. You can use olive oil. If you don't have olive oil, use normal oil. Give it a good mix. This is your kebab mixture. Now take a baking dish. This has to be a little bit deep so the juices don't overflow. Now take the kebab mixture, all of it, press it down and spread it in your baking dish. This is a knife and just cut the mixture into slices. Then I'm gonna place a tomato slice and a pepper on each slice. It looks beautiful and the vegetables grill really well along with the kebabs. Oops. Okay, so this is ready to go in the air fryer. Now take your air fryer basket, place this in your basket, and this is gonna go in the air fryer 200 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. This is ready.